Good morning to all. In previous classes, we have learned the conversion of fraction into a percentage into a fraction, and conversion of decimal into a percentage and percentage into a decimal. Today, I am going to solve some problems related to these conversions. Conversion of fractions into percentage. Then question is 7 by 20. To converting fraction into percentage, we multiply this fraction by 100 and put the symbol of percentage. Then 7 by 25 into 100 is equal to, here 7 and 100 are the numerators and 25 is the denominator. Then we can divide with a common factor. Then in 25 and 100, 25 is common in both 25 and 100. Then in 25 one time, in 100 25 4 times. Then the next we multiply numerators. Then 7 into 4 28. Denominator is 1. Therefore 28 is the answer. Then 28 percentage. Answer is 28 percentage. Then another example. 16 by 50. To convert fractions into percentage, first we multiply this fraction by 100 and put the symbol of percentage. Then first we multiply by 100, and this 16 and 100 are the numerators and 50 is the denominator. Then we can divide with the common factor. Then here 50 and 100, and this common factor is 50. Here 50 one time, in 100 50 two times. Then denominator is 1. Then we can multiply numerators. Then 16 into 2 is 32. Then put the symbol of percentage. Then the answer is 32 percentage. Okay. Next, conversion of a percent into a fraction. Conversion of percent into fraction. The question is 7 percentage. We have to convert this into fraction. To converting this percent into a fraction, first we remove this symbol of percentage and divide this number by 100. Then is equal to 7 by 100. Then write this fraction in lowest form, lowest term. Then here no common factor. Then the answer is 7 by 100. The fraction is 7 by 100. Then second question. 1.8%. Then to convert this percentage into a fraction, first we remove the symbol of percentage and divide by 100. Then this is equal to 1.8 by 100. We remove the symbol of percentage and divide by 100. Then next step, here 1.8 is a decimal number. Then we have to convert this a whole number. For that we multiply by 10. Both numerator and denominator. Then 1.8 by 100 into 10 by 10. Then here 1.8 into 10 is 18. 100 into 10 is 1000. Next we divide with a common factor. Then in this 2 is common factor. Then 18. In this 9 2s are 18. Then 9 will come Here 1000 by 2, that is 500. 500 into 2 is 1000. Therefore, we get numerator is 9 and denominator is 500. Then the answer is 9 by 500. The fraction is 9 by 500. Next is conversion of decimal into a percent. Conversion of decimal into a percent. The question is 1.9. The decimal number is 1.9. You have to convert this decimal number as a percent. Then for converting as percent, first we multiply by 100 and put the symbol of percentage on its right side. Then 1.9 into 100 is equal to multiplying by 100. Multiplying a decimal by 100 means moving this decimal point 2 places to the right. Moving this decimal point 2 places to the right. Then here after decimal point only one digit. Then we add 1 0 after this digit. Then we get 190. Then this decimal point moving 2 places to the right. Then that here will come. Then the answer is 190. Then put the symbol of percentage. Then answer is 190 percentage. 190 percentage. Okay. Then second question. 8.023. You have to convert this decimal as a percent. For converting percent, first we multiply by 100. Multiply this decimal by 100 and put the symbol of percentage. Then 8.023 into 100 is equal to multiplying by 100 means just moving this decimal point 2 places to the right. Then this point moving 2 places to the right. Then this will become coming this place. Then 802.3. Then last putting the symbol of percentage. Then the answer is 802.3 percentage. Next topic, the conversion of percent into a decimal. Conversion of a percent into a decimal. Here the question is 5 percentage. You have to convert this into a decimal. For converting decimal, we first remove the symbol of percentage and divide this number by 100. Then 5 by 100. We get 5 by 100. Remove the symbol of percentage and divide by 100. Then divide by 100 means just moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. Only one digit. Then we add 1 0 before this digit. Then we get 05. Then 2 places to the left. Then the decimal point is here. Then 0.05 is the answer. The decimal number is 0.05. Okay. The next question. 20.5 percentage. Then converting percentage into decimal. First we remove the symbol of percentage and divide this number by 100. Then 20.5 divided by 100. Divided by 100 means just moving this decimal point 2 places to the left. Then this will come in this position. Then the answer is 0.205. 0.205 is the answer. The decimal number is 0.205. Okay. Next topic is finding the value of percent. Here question is 32% of 70. Finding the value of the percentage of given number. Firstly, write this percentage as a fraction. Then multiplying this fraction with the given number. Then we can write this percentage as a fraction. Then 32 by 100. Then multiply this fraction with this given number. Then 32 by 100 into 70. Then here numerators are 32 and 70. Denominator is 100. Now we can simplify this. Then this 100 and 70. In both numbers have 2 is common factor. Then 10 tens are 100. 10 is common factor. Then 10 tens are 100. Here 7 tens are 70. Then next again we can simplify this. Here 32 and 10. Both have 2 is common factor. Then in 32, 16 twos are 32. Then 16. Here 5 twos are 10. Then this become 5. Then the remaining numbers are 16 into 7 by 5. 16 into 7 is 6 into 7 42. Then 4 1 cents are 7 plus 4 112. Then the answer is 112 by 5. The 112 by 5 is the value of 32% of 70. The answer is 112 by 5. Next question is 45% of 80 ml. 45% of 80 number. First we write this percentage as a fraction. Then 45% is 45 by 100. Next we multiply this fraction with this number. Then 45 by 100 into 80. Now we can simplify this. Then and this 10 is common factor. Then 10 tens are 100. Here 8 tens are 80. Then again 5 is common factor. Then in 45, 9 5s are 45. Here 2 5s are 10. Again we can simplify this in 8 and 2. 8 and 2, 2 is common factor. Then 4 2s are 8 and here 1 time 2. Then now there is no common factors. Then numerators 9 into 4. Denominator is 1. Therefore the answer is 36. Then the value of this 45% of 80 is 36. 36 is the value. The answer is 36. Next question is what percentage of rupees 40 is rupees 8? To find what percentage of one number of another number, we write a fraction with numerator is given number and denominator as the total number. Then for finding the answer, first we write a fraction with numerator as the given number and the denominator as the total quantity. Then the given quantity is 8, that is numerator. Then total quantity, that is 40, that is denominator. Then multiply this fraction with 100. Now we can simplify these numbers. Then in this 10 is common factor. Then 4 times 10, that is 40. 10 times are 100. Again in this 4 is common factor. Then 4, 2 4s are 8. Then here 2, here 4, 1 time. Then denominator is 1, numerators are 2 and 10. Then 2 into 10 is 20. The answer is 20. The percentage is, put the symbol of percentage, then we get 20. First we write a fraction with the numerator is given quantity and the denominator as total quantity. Then multiplying with this fraction with 100. Then simplify this, we get the required percentage. Next question is, what percentage of 480 liter is 30 liter? Then first we write the fraction as numerator as given quantity and denominator as total quantity. Then numerator is 30, denominator is total quantity, that is 480. Then multiply this fraction with 100. Now we can simplify this. First we divide by 10. Then zeros cancelled. Then next we divide by 2. In both 2 is common factor. Then 15. Here 24. Again we can divide by 2. And both 24 and 10 have 2 is common factor. Then 24 become 12. Then this 10 become 5. Then again we can divide 15 and 12. 15, 3 is common factor in both numbers, 15 and 12. Then here 5 times, here 4 times. Then there is no common factor. Then we can multiply the numerators. 5 into 5, 25. Then denominator is 4. Then the answer is 25 by 4. 25 by 4 percentage.